In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify functions. 5 minutes. Shopify functions are a powerful way to customize how your store behaves behind the scenes, especially around discounts, shipping, payments, and checkout logic. The key thing to remember is that functions run through compatible apps. You won't see a big functions button in your admin. Instead, you access and manage them via the apps you've installed that are built on Shopify's functions framework. First, head to your Shopify admin the way you normally do. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that securely. Once you're in the admin dashboard, you're on home base. From here, we'll move into the settings area, where store-wide controls live. Next, click settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of the admin. This section houses the core configuration for your store. It's the safest place to adjust foundational items, and it's also a reliable starting point for reaching your installed apps list when you want to manage integrations that use functions. Now click apps. Depending on your layout, this may appear as apps or apps and sales channels. This page lists everything you've connected to your store. Here's the important context. Shopify functions are not managed as raw code from this screen. Instead, each compatible app provides its own interface to define the logic it will run. So think of this screen as your gateway to the tools that power those custom behaviors. Open the app you installed that uses Shopify functions. For example, this could be an app that creates advanced discount rules, adjusts shipping rates by conditions, or customizes payment options at checkout. Once the app opens, follow its built-in guidance to configure your rules or settings. Most of these apps include clear labels, toggles to enable features, and a save or publish action. If you see a preview or test mode, use it to validate your setup before you roll changes out to all customers. Always save, then confirm that your changes are active. A few best practices to keep things smooth. Make sure your staff account has permissions to manage apps. If you don't see the app you expect, use the admin search bar to find it quickly. If your changes don't appear at checkout, try refreshing the storefront, clearing the cart, or placing a test order. And whenever possible, document what you changed so you can revert if needed. That's it. You've navigated to Shopify, opened settings, gone to apps, and launched the installed app that exposes Shopify functions for your store.